Hey there, aspiring pet parents. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's perfect for those looking to dip their toes into the wonderful world of pet ownership, the 8 best pocket pets for beginners. If you're ready to bring a small and manageable companion into your life, stick around as we explore some fantastic options. Let's get started. 1. Hamster. First on our list is the ever-popular hamster. These furry little creatures are known for their cute and cheeky demeanor. Hamsters are relatively low maintenance, requiring a comfortable cage, a wheel for exercise, and a balanced diet. They are nocturnal, so be prepared for some late-night activity. 2. Guinea Pig. Next up, we have the charming guinea pig. These social animals thrive in pairs and enjoy interaction with their human companions. Guinea pigs require a bit more space than hamsters, but their affectionate nature and distinctive vocalizations make them delightful additions to the family. 3. Gerbil. If you're looking for an active and social companion, consider getting gerbils. Gerbils are known for their curiosity and love of burrowing. They are best kept in pairs or small groups, and they enjoy a habitat with tunnels and hiding spots. With proper care, gerbils can provide endless entertainment. 4. Mice. Mice make fantastic pocket pets for those who enjoy observing playful and intelligent creatures. They are social animals and thrive in pairs or groups. Mice are active and require an enriching environment with toys and activities to keep them mentally stimulated. 5. Rat. Rats might surprise some people, but they are incredibly intelligent and affectionate pets. They form strong bonds with their owners and can even learn tricks. Rats thrive on social interaction, so it's recommended to keep them in pairs. With proper training and care, rats can become loving members of the family. 6. Degus. Degus are lesser known but make wonderful pocket pets. They are social, curious, and enjoy having a companion. Degus requires a spacious cage with opportunities for climbing and exploring. They have unique dental needs, so providing plenty of hay is essential for their dental health. 7. Budgy. If you're looking for a feathered friend, consider the budgerigar, or Budgy for short. These small parrots are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic sounds. Budgies can be taught various tricks and enjoy interacting with their owners. 8. Fancy mouse. Last but not least, the fancy mouse is a delightful and small companion. They are relatively easy to care for and can be an excellent introduction to pet ownership. There you have it, the 8 best pocket pets for beginners. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more pet-related content, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video, exploring more topics about our furry and feathered friends.